YouTube family, welcome to another video. My name is Alyssa and this is Dreaming of the Farm, and today we are checking out Ikea up in Elizabeth, New Jersey. We're here to get my middle daughter a big girl bed, and I'm going to film what they have in store for spring 2023 and just what they have, because who doesn't love a good Ikea trip. I'm going to do my best with the enunciation here, but Ikea was founded by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943 and came to life as a mail-order catalog business in the forested town of Älmhult, Sweden. Today, it's a global home furnishing brand that brings affordability, design, and comfort to people all over the world. All right, YouTube family, welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Alyssa, and this is Dreaming of the Farm. I share home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood. I especially love to share shop with me videos. I love shopping, I love browsing, and I enjoy sharing my favorite items. I enjoy sharing what catches my eye. So on this busy Sunday at Ikea, they had a beautiful backyard display for us upon entering the store, and they had a lot of different cuties for maybe a small patio if you live in an apartment, maybe some items for a larger backyard if you're somebody that just recently got a pool, or some things that you can use indoors or just under a covered front porch. Lots of cute things. I particularly loved this cactus vase. I thought it was extremely innovative. I've never seen anything like that. It's actually a watering can, but I was thinking you could use that as a vase as well. And yeah, let's get into it. So that first display section will share seasonal items, and the first room they had was a nursery. I love the 3-tier storage caddy. I do my best to share pricing, but bear with me as it was a very busy Sunday and some price tags were removed because people were confused how to purchase, myself included. It's an experience going to Ikea. But this crib is gorgeous. I love the white with the lighter shade of wood. I love the storage underneath. What a great idea to have a drawer. This changing table made simple with a garbage can on top. These items are great if you're working with smaller spaces. They had this rocker for a price of $2.99. Which looked very comfortable if you had to hold a baby, or it could transition well into a bedroom. This duvet cover for only $29.99 rocked my world. I honestly couldn't believe how affordable that was. And some fun curtains to dress a canopy bed or just to use on your windows. So this closet, this storage space, was $1,500. So we were recently quoted $12,000 to redo our closet. So for 10% of the price, I was pretty, I'm a little speechless honestly at how different it was and how nice this was. And I was trying to brainstorm ways to make this work. But Ikea, if you're somebody that needs some inspiration, it really brings it to you. This space was more for like tools, or for me it was like garden. Like this would be in my garage. I would use it for my garden, or just a all-purpose space. Yoga mat holders. I guess they're just showing it all. I'm assuming this would be for somebody who had like a studio apartment. But yeah, it's great stuff at a great price. These signs are amazing. Not every section had these bright, bold yellow signs, but a lot did. And it's nice to see your budget, and that is something I think that is important. So these price tags are showing different price points for different sizes of the bed, from a full to a king, but a beautiful cushion, pin cushion bed frame, and some beautiful florals. It's really only $19.99 for a light. Let's fix this. No one needs to see that. Reorganizer. Price on this one. Cute. So some more storage. This closet space I thought was interesting how it unfolded. For me, this would be great to have in a basement. It was bulky, so I felt like it wouldn't be something I could use in a bedroom. These pink pop-out square cubbies were super cute, super fun way to style. You could use storage as wall decor. I always love that because it's decorative, but you're still being, purposeful. This chair was giving me a migraine on camera, so if it's doing that for you, we're almost done. It's almost out of our way. Yep, there, by Funny Chair, Houndstooth Chair. And they had a lot of great prices on mirrors. Definitely a good idea to check out their mirror options, way cheaper than other places like Home Goods and Target. Fridge. Pantry. So the reviews on Ikea are always hit or miss, but this range hood for $449 was awesome for that price. These were really challenging to find when we redid our kitchen in our first home, and they definitely were closer to $1K, so I thought that that was a great price, and I would be curious if consumers were happy with that. So moving into this petite kitchen table, I love the white and wood, a lot of combinations of that happening. And how cute is this junior chair? $50-ish, and they have it in white and different shades of wood. $60, my apologies. And I loved it. We have little kids, and I thought that that would be super cute. Doesn't take up too much space, and the kids have somewhere to
Looks
sit.
just like my kitchen.
So once again, a yellow sign giving us the specs and breakdown. So this living room was more modern, and I go through this quickly and I speed up the video for you. So my friends who enjoy Shop With Me videos, what do you enjoy? Do you like a quick breeze through of a store this big, or do you like a more slower film? I personally enjoy seeing everything quickly, but I'm curious if you would prefer slow. I just would love to hear from you in the comments. So back to those mirrors. So those were 4 stick-on mirrors for $11.99, and I thought that that would be great if you're somebody that owns a dance studio or has a gym. A very cheap way to take up a lot of mirror space. Shelving at $280. Picture ledge, $13.99. Ledge and the hooks.
I'm right here. I'm not that place. Look at that stuff.
Like if you want to do kind of beach kind of it's everywhere. Want to do that? Into that kind of.
Did you enjoy that last room too? Because I did. It felt like I was home. All right, so we're moving a little bit quicker. The rooms had a lot of people in them, so just bear with me. I'm doing my best to share things with you, but it was like Grand Central Station. It was a party up in this place. So here is this range hood again, styled differently. That's something that I love with IKEA. You're seeing the same items styled at least 10 different ways. So it just really shows you how versatile something could be. So little though.
Oh, there is also apple.
How fun. This is so cute. Dollhouse wall shelf. So this corner mudroom space was something that I related with, something very versatile. In our first home, we really struggled with a space to put everything. We didn't have a mudroom, and we currently do have a mudroom that we are going to be redoing. It's a laundry room mudroom, but that was giving me a lot of inspiration there. So this part of the store didn't really speak to me all that much. So after the showroom, you move into the furniture categories, and the first section would be sofas. The price gap between their sofas started as low as $200, and then they got higher up to, I think the most expensive couch I saw was $1,400. So they have them in a ton of different sizes, so you can accommodate your space with lots of different end tables in there. My favorite sofa that I saw was this gray friend with the pedal feet. I'm not really sure what you want to call those little wood pegs, but super cute. And I loved this color, this gray linen. It had like a tweed finish with threads of white and gray, nice texture to it. But for $8.49, I thought it was a little expensive, kind of like a West Elm dupe. But the few that I sat on, I didn't think were all that comfortable. But you get what you pay for. Hey! So those are my babies. The whole reason we went to IKEA was because Emmy, my middle daughter, is turning 3 and she is finally getting a big girl bed. She loved her crib. She did not want a big girl bed, but the feeling for a big girl bed has come on very strong. So we had to get her one immediately, and she was so cute. So that was why we went on a Sunday. Typically we wouldn't go on a Sunday, but the type of bed that we wanted for Emmy, we want to match our other daughter, and they only had one left. So that was why we went during the busiest time ever. But yeah, I'm a mom. I love shopping with my kids. And yeah, I have a 4.5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old, all girls, Ellery, Emmy, and Evelyn. So if you're a mom too, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. All right, I'm going to stop talking about my kids and get back to the furniture.
It's over there. Okay. Oh, it's like this. You still like this one? Now you're back at it? That's Island. Kitchen में बच्चों का
so I didn't have a ton to say about all of that. I got very hot in real life, but I love this green kitchen. My friends, this kitchen is giving me all the vibes. I love it. I was following two very cool girls while I was checking out this kitchen, and I wasn't friends with them, but everything they were saying I was agreeing with in my head because it's so cool, and I think I'm going to paint my cabinets green once I finally make up my mind. But I love this green. I love this range hood. I loved everything. My favorite part was the carpet. It looked like it rolled out of Urban Outfitters and Anthropologie for half the price. And I'm just so curious. I think this was done so beautifully, and this just is something that just felt right for somebody who thought she wanted another white kitchen, because I love the white kitchens, and I'm afraid to not go white, but I believe color is back, color is in. Like, look at that carpet. Like, that carpet just gorgeous. I would wear that carpet as a coat. So this area spoke to my heart. And this was something that really made me want to go back. I can't stop thinking about it days later. So here's another version of that junior chair. This one's a little bit more expensive, but here's an out view of that kitchen. And this is actually the image I'm using as a thumbnail because of how much I loved that kitchen. My husband was with my kids, and he was walking around too. And this was the kitchen that he liked. So we will see what him and I agree on. So their farmhouse sinks, great price. We got our farmhouse sink from Ferguson, and it was 20% more than that. They also had some great faucets, some amazing prices for faucets. This stepping stool, $19.99. Great, you could have several in your home for your children. Lots of great pegboards. But and the cutting board. I zoomed past that cutting board. That was like a board, like a butcher's block. I would go back for that too. If you have that, or if you've tried that, how does it work? Like, do you like it? Does it wash well? Can you cut a lot of onions on there and it not leave a bad smell? I'd love to hear all the nitty-gritty details on that cutting board. This kitchen was really beautiful too. I love the black faucet with the wagon wheel faucet, hot, cold. I'm not even sure what you want to call that. But I made a mistake. The Ferguson farmhouse sink that we got was 20 times the price, not 20% more. So it was way more expensive. My husband and I were shocked when we found the farmhouse sink here so cheap, because when we were redoing our first home, farmhouse sinks were not as available, and it definitely was nowhere to be found at this price point. And that's only, oh my goodness, we did our kitchen in 2016. So we're back doing it again, and it seems like there's a lot of exciting options available, and you can do it for a little bit cheaper. So these three faucets were beautiful. And again, they share with you in the store the same item displayed various ways with various styles. So that's really cool. It really is something that everybody can relate to and find your own vision for yourself. All right, so moving forward, we had to get down to the bed. So Emmy was thrilled. We are all supporting her with her big girl bed, and without exploiting my children too much. It got a little bit stressful, so this video is going to be wrapping up quickly because Emmy had a hard time understanding that we couldn't take the bed that was on display in the store. So, yeah.
Ooh, I love that cedar furniture over there. Do you see that, babe? What kitchens did you like, babe?
What?
What kitchens did you like? Ellery, nope.
There were two.
Emmy and Ellery.
Yeah.
Pretty, huh?
Yeah, can we wash our hair?
Nope, we're just pretending. Let's keep going.
Let's sit in the chair.
Nope, we're gonna walk nicely because we're in
Sharing
public.
a beautiful mom moment I don't want to forget. So when Emmy did get upset that we couldn't take this actual store bed with us, we had to separate, and she was really having a hard time stopping crying because she wanted that bed, and I had to hold her in the store and I just held her till she stopped crying. And as I was holding her, my Ellery was holding me. So it was a harder moment as a mom, but it was a beautiful moment as a mom, and I just want to remember it forever and ever.
All right, Ellery, I think everyone's in. Say bye.
Elevator party.
Yeah, elevator party. Elevator party. Where am I, Chris?
Thanks for joining my family on this Spur of the Moment Ikea Shop With Me trip. If it's your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next video, God bless, good vibes, and cheers.